Okay, so today we'll be opening up this used Purolator 20K mile oil filter, number LX7317. And I got this used Purolator oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Joseph from New Jersey. Thanks, Joseph. This oil filter was in service for 3,547 miles and came off of Joseph's 2004 Honda Accord. Yep, the one with the 3.0 liter V6 engine. He had replaced the engine in his car with a used engine. The used engine now has a total of 175,055 miles, and the car has 226,820 miles. He was using Supertech 5W20 full synthetic oil during this period. A few months ago, he sent me the oil filter from his first oil change, and it was pretty dirty. The picture of that filter is on the screen now. He's done 3 oil changes since then, so this will be the 4th oil filter that is used on this engine. Hopefully this one will be much cleaner. So let's get started. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your end here, filtration. Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. Date code F01T13E1. And there's no sticker on here, so it doesn't say Purolator on it, but it does. The sticker would have said Made in USA. Okay, and this filter has 8 inlet holes, metal core louvers, bypass valve at the dome end, 3 grooves there for threads, and this is a Puroseal, what they call a Puroseal gasket. It's ethylene acrylic gasket, and I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. It's a pretty thick gasket. Yeah, so that looks nice. All right, let's open up this filter and see what it looks like. A little bit of oil. A little bit of oil there. I tried draining it out with a Q-tip, but it wouldn't go in there good, so. Drain back valve. Okay, put this to the side here. Yeah. Alright, so. Yeah, it looks kind of clean. Silicone and drain back valve. Okay, I don't see no slits or tears in it. That's good. It's a little bit of, I don't know what that is. That could be I don't know what that is. It's just a marking on there. Number. Oh yeah, it fits on there nice. Okay. Filter element. That looks pretty good. A little speck of glue right there. Bypass valve right here. This bypass valve has a setting of 14 to 18 psi. A little excess glue there, I think. Alright, you got a metal crimp seam. I'll put the number of pleats up on the screen. A little bit of a gap here. Are there any tears there or not? No, I don't see nothing. Looks good. Okay, and this has a micron rating of 99% for particles greater than 20 microns. That's probably just from the can when I open it. And the dual layered synthetic blend media. It looks pretty dirty inside though, but it's a lot cleaner than the last one that I opened up. So his engine's definitely running cleaner. Yeah, I'd say Joseph's engine is cleaning up. Alright, so that looks pretty good. There's a lot of oil in here, so now it's got a nice curve to it. Stamp leaf spring. Get some of this oil out. Oh yeah, it looks much cleaner than the last filter he sent me. I'll put the measurements of this can up on the screen. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Oil's pretty dark, but it looks like his engine's running a lot cleaner now. That's good. He says his engine's running great. So I'm going to have the can sitting like that and see what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so let's get the width of this filter element. 2. Let's call it 2.7. 2.7 minus 1/10 of an inch. Okay, let's cut this filter open, squeeze it out, stretch it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, here's the filter all stretched out. And this Purolator filter is 47 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.90 millimeters thick. Okay, here's the filtering side, back side. And if we take a look at this under a microscope, you're going to see that it's pretty dark. It caught a lot of soot and carbon. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, it looks like the filter did a pretty good job. It's a dual layer filter. You can see it's dirty inside, it's dark. It's a lot cleaner though than the last filter that he had. The last filter that he sent me. And let's take a look at this filter up close. So you can see the soot in between the soot and carbon in between the seams. It's quite a bit of it. No sparklies though. Yeah, at least it's running a lot cleaner. Joseph's engine is definitely running cleaner. Now let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we already went over these components. Got a nice anti-drain back valve, nice ethylene acrylic gasket, base plates, nice and heavy duty, 3 threads, that's good. Let's take a look at the louvers here on this. Shut the light off. Oh yeah, you can see those are opened up, no problem there. It's a little excess glue on here, but not bad. In the can, I had it sitting like this for a while, so it looks pretty clean in here also. It looks down here, what's that? Yeah, it's nice and soft. There's no, doesn't feel gritty at all or anything. So that's all good. So I would say that if he sticks with, this kind of filter, it's a good quality filter, and 3,000 mile oil changes, his engine should clean up pretty nicely. Because getting it from a junkyard, you got the engine from a junkyard, so you don't know what the oil change intervals were for that engine. Could have been pretty neglected, which I think it was. He's using a Supertech full synthetic oil right now, but I think I'd go to probably a Pennzoil Platinum. They're only probably a couple dollars more for a jug at Walmart, so it wouldn't hurt. So what do you guys think about this filter? Please post your comments down below. And I also want to mention Joseph has a YouTube channel called 82Kid. He has auto-related videos on his channel, so you might want to check it out. I'll put a link to his channel down below in the descriptions. And with that being said, I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and take care. No sparklies, that's good. That's a good sign.